Right, so let's add our labels and our table view to our code. I'm going to select the assistant editor here. Actually, before we start this, let's select our table view. Go to our show connection inspector. I'm going to drag the data source and delegate. Just click and drag it to our view here on the yellow, and same for the delegate. This is setting our delegate and our data source to our view. Okay, now we can select our so the code will be on the side with the assistant editor. I'm going to close these side panels just to give me extra space. Okay, let's add our, from top I'm going to add our segmented control here. It's going to be outlet, and we're going to call it sort segment controller. Click connect. Next thing, let's add our expenses label. I'm holding the control and I'm dragging to our code here. It's going to be outlet again, and we're going to call it expense label. Same thing for our income label. Again, hold control and drag it to our code here. Just add some extra space, and let's add our total. And finally we need to add our table. And we're going to call it table view. Let's come down here, and we're going to put a mark. I'm going to call it action buttons. Here we are going to add our add button. So instead of outlet, we are going to say action. Type, I'm going to select a URL button item, and the name is going to be add bar button item pressed. So it's clearly from the name what does it do. And second, let's do same thing for the settings. Again, this is going to be action, the type UI bar button item, and it's going to be settings bar button item press connect. So this is it for this video.